Okay, I hope everybody's had a good New Year's Day. I decided to do a little short video on what's for dinner on New Year's Day. I like Mexican food. I like all sorts of, I guess you would call it, foreign restaurants, not so much Americanized foods, although most of the foreign restaurants, I guess, are Americanized. And I suppose if we went to their countries, our food would be suited to their tastes. Tonight I'm going to make tacos. So I've got my beef cooking here. I also like rice with my tacos. And I found this thing called Virgo Mexican rice. It has peppers and corn dehydrated in it and the rice, and it's very good. You just put it in and cook it like a regular pot of rice. Takes about 20 minutes. And then we'll have the tacos. And over here I'm making, of course, the lettuce. Excuse me, I need my cup here. And then I have my tomatoes and my onion. I use those in my tacos. And then I found this Rosarita, I'm sorry if I mispronounced that, traditional refried beans. I also have those with my tacos. So here's an easy, inexpensive way to have Mexican food at home without going to places like Taco Bell or someplace, you know, expensive Mexican restaurant. You can make it at home. I think the refried beans were $1. The meat was like $4, I guess. The rice was another $1.50, something like that. So, you know, it's very inexpensive. Of course, I use the taco seasoning mix here. And then we have the soft shells. And it's a good, easy meal for a cold day. For that night, it's supposed to be about 5 degrees. And so we're going to try to have something warm for dinner. And I think this will fit the bill. Well, I hope everybody has had a great New Year's Day. And I hope your 2018 will turn out great. I hope my dinner turns out great. We'll see. It usually does when I make this. So have a great New Year's Day and a great 2018, folks. Thanks for watching. Oh, before I let you go, I just want to give a short hint on this rice. Excuse me. To use this kind of rice, this is what it turns out to look like. It's very good. But make sure you check it, especially if you have, like I have a stainless steel type pan here. It's not even with the non-stick pans, you need to check it before it's done. It's supposed to be done at 20 to 25 minutes. I gave it 20, but I checked it. Had 4 minutes left. Make sure you add extra water at the end, because it's not going to be quite done and it's still going to stick really bad. So you need to make sure you check it at the end. Just a little hint.